Welcome back. Let's do question 10A2. What is the probability that a unique 5-digit number starts with an 8 and ends with a 3 if repetition is not allowed? We want probability. Let me give you the formula. Probability is the number of possibilities meeting the condition divided by the total number of possibilities. Number of possibilities meeting the condition divided by the total number of possibilities. The total number of possibilities, our sample space, we have it here. That is 120. So what is the number of possibilities meeting the condition? So it says, what is the probability that a unique 5-digit number, right, starts with an 8 and ends with a 3? So that's a condition. When we are finding these possibilities, we start with the restrictions. So we still have our 5 slots: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first number must be an 8. And then how many choices do we have? We only have one 8. So it means we only have one choice here. And then the last number must be a 3. And then how many 3s do we have? We have one 3. So we have one choice here. So we're left with what? We're left with 3 numbers. Okay, we're left with 1, 6, and 9. So that means the second slot, we have 3 choices because we still have 1 or 6 or 9. So it's 3 choices. So if one of these 3 numbers has gone into the second slot, so we're left with 2 choices for the third slot. And then we'll be left with 1 choice for the fourth slot. The number of possibilities will be 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 3 factorial, or you can say 6 or 3 factorial. So now let's find the probability, because we're asked to find the probability. So the total number of possibilities meeting the condition divided by the total number of possibilities. So probability is going to be 3 factorial divided by 120, which is equal to 1 over 20, which is equal to 0.05.